I'm muted. What's up? Glad I checked my levels. What's going on? Welcome to my live stream. We are just going to have some fun today with the NQ and a NexGen eval. We have free resets today, so we can go heavy. We can pass this thing in a hurry. So there is no rush. NQ's looking a little bearish, but we're about to push really hard into the 2 o'clock hour. So we're either going to push or dump. It's a good chance we're going to dump. And I do not have my setup correct. I need my 15-minute over here and my 5-minute over here. Let's make this full screen for you. Let's have some fun. Whoop. We are all right. All right. So let's make sure I have the chat up. Docs. Yeah, the 2 o'clock macro is starting. Where's my chat? Pink? I feel like I should have a chat. Huh. I'm missing it. Doc. Chat. Ah, there's chat. Hi, chat. All right. So we're looking at some definite algorithmic points here that are interesting. We have a little guest star who looks funny. Who definitely looks a little funny on the chroma filter, but she's hanging. I have to pick her up because she's biting me. But with picking her up, she'll leave, so it's fine. This 15-minute close. I mean, this 5-minute close kind of think that double bottom is going to get run out in the 5-minute. Here. You can be my stream kitty. You can sit right next to me, okay? Okay. You stay put. All right. Okay, so I called price action. We are going to run out that double bottom on the 5-minute. And Stream Kitty has ruined my trade. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Interesting. Let's see if I am live after all. Just double checking. What's up, Chronic Chaos? Let's see if I can manage the chat better today. Because, We get a little distracted when we get into some stuff. I would probably call it a day if I would probably call it a day if I didn't have a promotion to abuse and use. But I have a promotion I can take advantage of. Ooh, ooh, pump, pump, pump. Definitely. No, no, no. I definitely prefer you hanging here. I mean, if you want to say something in Discord, that's private. Absolutely. You can type wherever you want. All right, I have to adjust the volume in my headset because it's definitely more of a party over here in my headset than it's probably coming through over there. So I definitely have some audio issues I'm working out on my side. I would be really surprised if this is just like this might be playable as a long for sure. Get money printer vibes for sure off this, right? So you would be playing the gap here. Come on, get out of my way. So this is algorithmic. Nice little touch of the 893. Push up into the gap, probably 3/4 of the gap, and dump if we're going to continue bearish for these lows, which could be on the table. I mean, the 15 minutes calling for at least something beautiful like here, but there is a nice fair value gap. I would kind of like to see this hold price. I mean, we're not gonna scream bearishness, right? No. Higher low. Higher high. Higher low, higher high. Kind of have to think this is gonna pump out of this. So if you're into giveaways, there is a MFF giveaway going on momentarily on their stream. Yep, there's a form. I will be definitely partaking. Stream safe text open. Definitely worthy of my time since price action is wild and out right now. All right. So definitely on the 5-minute, we got exactly what we wanted. Push up into the top of the gap and the reaction back down. We very well could ping pong the rest of the day in this gap and not care. I am currently in a Bitcoin long, which I'm holding. I definitely could see this thing pushing at least up into the bearish order block on the 5-minute. So we are going to start to build a long. I may have to mute momentarily as the kiddo is now a community member down in the living room. So apparently homework time is over. Yeah, I definitely like this 15-minute order block getting tagged a little bit more, but certainly doesn't have to. Double bottom, I mean, you could definitely see a push up before the drop. So because of I because I see that, I'm going to pursue a scalp long, especially on the close of the 5-minute. I may front run. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Give me some red. I said give me some red, damn it. Okay, so that's my closing the stop it. You're not gonna do it, are you? You're gone. Arr. There we go. Come on, push down. Push down. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, we're going to buy a down close candle in the 15-second. Anyone have an idea what I'm doing here? Here's my supposed plan. Yeah, we are not going to go as planned here, are we? This is a gone kind of moment here. We're gonna go to the 5-minute on the right. 5-minute on the right. This was a buy the close kind of candle. Stream looks good. Push up. All right. How much of a move did I miss here? Oof. All right. We're just gonna have to get in touch with order flow because she's moody. Yeah, 208. We are coming upon the afternoon. Hello. We're coming upon the afternoon macro. Oof. Hmm. Whoopsies. I definitely missed my play here. I called my play correctly, but did not play it. $9.30. Very interesting. . All right. So I would be looking for an order block. I don't think we're coming back that far. Now we might get the continuation bearish here. That might be target. Let's double. Let's just double check this. That might be. I would like to see this be very, very algorithmic. Yeah. We're going to start looking bearish, I think, because we didn't take. Ugh, I hate it. I actually kind of hate it. Stop above the high. Let's have a target in mind here. Whoa, Alex. Alex, I don't know what you're watching. Is it the Wolfenstein? All right. All right, so we're kind of on sides here. Only for the retrace. This is gonna be nasty. We have a no wick. Is that a no wick candle? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. That's a no wick candle. And a volume imbalance on the 1 minute. Oh, it's definitely coming here. Okay. The algorithm definitely likes that. So, you just have to decide what PA is going to do from here, what you want to target. You get off the 4 hour here. This is too much. PA on the Betty coin. I don't think this is done. Not even close. So, Okay, we have 7 minis on. We're looking for a flush into targets. We are going to, well, no, I'm kind of I'm definitely going to say I'm going to be stubborn and my target's going to tag. I would not be this aggressive in my funded accounts. This is a eval with a promotion. NexGen has generous free resets. So I definitely can push my luck a little and definitely push the limitations of the account for a win. So let's see where we're at here. So we got 1500 here. I'll leave that up like that. Now this very well could snap in my face. Absolutely. Absolutely, this could snap in my face. Matter of fact, I kind of think it is going to. Yep. That's a definite flash signal for a long. Okay. We've been stopped here. $1,800 loser. We're definitely pushing up into targets before we are even remotely bearish. Definitely wanted to get in touch with my buy signal here and missed it, and completely flipped my bias because of stubborn stuff. Yes, Chronic, that is a bug I've noticed specifically, and you get these flashes of 120,000 ticks. I've seen it more than a few times, and I've captured it on screenshot, and I actually posted one, I think, today. And at 10 minis, 120,000 ticks is $6 million. So it doesn't trigger a take profit or a stop loss though. It's just flashing those numbers. So it's a little concerning. It definitely sketched me out the first time I saw it, but it does not trigger a L or anything like that. I'm tempted to try my idea again. Yeah, I'm definitely considering it here. I kind of want to see this run out. Maybe I'm being silly, but there's a possibility we just take these lows. But I kind of want to say we did. We took liquidity here for sure. And then we couldn't push through this CE of the fair value gap. Wait a second. This is a 15-minute fair value gap? Yeah, 15. So I think we're going to come back for it. All right, you're going to watch me like flip my bias here a little bit because I'm looking at the wrong time frames. I don't like looking at the 1 minute so much. All right, we're going to embrace WildBerries here. I think so. We're gonna go for a scalp. Closing a 15-minute candle in 15 seconds. Yes. Yes, certainly enough to give you a heart attack. I know, right? And there's such a good possibility it's going to leave the London low targets as liquidity for later. So short liquidity is going to see that as a target and continue shorting, right? So that target's not going to get touched today. And if you look at this from the bigger time frame, if you look at this on a bigger time frame, you're like, you're shorting? What are you doing? This is up only, right? I don't have it. Why don't I have it? I swear to God, this always disappears on me. I mean, as far as a fractal goes here, we're like nowhere near the fractal. Nowhere near the fractal. That's not happening. Maybe on a smaller range it's happening, but it's not going to be. So I'm going to go with the 15-minute, say long the crap out of it, hope for the best. It definitely gave me an opportunity here already. Oh, what was I thinking? The 15-minute didn't close the way I'd want it to. 15 minutes showing 15 minutes showing signs of exhaustion and selling pressure. So yeah, I think we are gonna tank. I mean, this is really this is our thin ice order block. No close above. Continue push. I think the short is probably in play. Bearish order block. Bearish order block here. Bearish order block here. So this is how I burn myself. I say something like, this is the bearish order block. And here is something we would want to delineate. We'd want to delineate this wick here. It's about halfway. If we're not, maybe here. So we might have just tapped it. But since I can be a little wild, I'm going to be wild. Let's start with 2. Yeah, I like it. I like it a little bit. Stop loss of these. Stop loss. 200 ticks. Ew. The account can't survive heavy leverage with that kind of stop. So this train would be over if I started throwing on contracts. but the turbo clicker wants to come out and play. Okay. I don't think we're going to get the close below. I don't know, something in me is telling me it's just going to keep pushing. It's leaving the targets for... It's definitely confusing. I think it's going to punish the people who short right about now. Yeah, we're out. I definitely think we're going to get punished on a short. Am I muted? I'm not muted. Okay. We need a plan. Yeah, we're longing. Even if we change our mind, we're longing. All right. Cowboy. What happened to my music? Shout out to Offnear. Some damn good music. I like his second version better than his newest version. Beats per minute's a nicer feel for streaming. See, now it's telling me I'm right. It's kind of telling me I'm right. All right. I'm going to embrace the short once again. And the free resets. Okay. We are at max leverage. Short. So, if I have to reset, which is very, very likely, I will black out the screen and do so and be back in 5. And I think we're going to have to reset. Very likely. Come on, Stream Kitty. I need stream kitty powers. Alright. We're getting a move. Ooh. That's not good. And that close is kind of concerning. Get out. I know. That's funny. We're going for the full reset here. We're coming down here first. I kind of expect it to fail, but we'll see. So would you like to see this tagged? I definitely think this is going to get tagged. 938? I think 938 will get tagged. Especially if we fall through. You can look at this as sort of I'm starting to really like the short. 5 minutes showing me short. And then the ticks are flashing big green numbers, which is kind of telling me the algorithm is being revealed, per se, as we go up. But I will have to do a reset. Either way. Yeah, that should be it. This should blink out now. Oh, it didn't blink out. I thought we just pushed the cusp of failing eval. I don't know. It's kind of close. It's kind of close there. In fact, at the end of the candle, you might find out that it failed the evaluation just by that much. We're definitely closing a candle. Possibly CE of this gap here. Definitely. And chronic, I'm also looking at the fractal. Fractal's really good tell for what price action is going to do. It can't. The fractal can be an indication of what it's going to do. All right. It could go either way here. It could go either way. It's either gonna, yeah, it's accelerating. It's accelerating through there. So it's definitely gonna dip into this liquidity here. So this inversion that you're talking about, and one deviation of this 5-minute bear shorter block, possibly 1.5 deviations of this bear shorter block on the 5-minute. Which we will find out in a moment. Alright, come on. Come on, man. $80 ticks. Okay, this is where we find out. I think it's gonna run. Where can I put my stop? I don't need a stop. My stop is reset for free. If I were to be like really silly, I'd be like up there, but it should trigger an end of the evaluation somewhere here. Kind of like watching paint dry here, and it's definitely found a support, but this is not going to push past this wick. So this wick right here, we're not going to push past that. If we push that, we have a problem. We're taking this target probably 913, but we don't have to. More likely we'll hit this 928, but we don't have to. I don't want to see you take that. Ooh, nasty girl. I'm wrong. She pushing hard. I don't think I have a chance here. I think the close of the 15-minute is revealing itself as get long, and this is your opportunity to get long. And if you're short, you're in trouble. It's leaving so much to be chase liquidity lower, but I'm committed to the idea for this evaluation. So if it takes it, it takes it. But I would have flipped here. I would have absolutely flipped. Ooh. But I'm gonna stick to my idea. This close in the 5-minute here is, I think it's just bait. It's just bait for a longs. Yeah, I don't. No. Hurdle seek was here. Into the fair value gap on the 15-minute. I kind of. It could. Oh man, I lost my camera. That's how I know I'm like streaming all the time. Like this thing times out every half hour. But I definitely feel like this is an algorithmic target here on the 5-minute, no matter what it does. The one deviation. One deviation should absolutely be tagged. Oh, getting calls. We are back. Okay, my indecision, silly. Again, it's not friendly. It's chopping about. And we are getting some. We in the chop, people. This is the chop. Yeah, I can see what you mean. Push up. The biggest problem with that turtle soup idea is where's our bearish fair value gap? And then you go to the 15 and you're like, oh, what am I doing shorting? Why am I shorting? And then you look at the 5 minute and you're like, well, could go. So this eval should get run out right about here. And then the screen's gonna go dark. And then I'm gonna reset. 145,500 or 146,000 should be the end of this evaluation. Push. Push. All right. I'm going to get ready to reset this. One good push and she's done. She don't want to dip. She don't want to push. I think she's generating. Yeah, it's generating short liquidity. Me, it's generating my liquidity. My evaluation liquidity. And come on. One final knife. One final straight into the eval. Blink. Blink out. Ah. There she goes. Alrighty. Monitors out. Face is out. And log out. I always log out of my NexGen account before I reset it, just to keep everything smooth, because it's not going to show up. After you reset it, you gotta log back in anyway. Oh man, this is beautiful. This thing reflects the failed immediately now. You used to have to wait a minute. But nope, reset. Code no. Capital reset. Reset. Apply. Submit payment of $0. And thank you for your payment of $0. Okay. We are now into pulling up my info, my personal private password, live amp, connect username, connect password, sign in. And we're back. I lost my face. What happened to my face? What happened to my face? I lost my face. Share, pink, next, pink, we're golden. All right. We're back. We're back. We're back, and we're bullish for the moment. I definitely could see it chopping. I mean, if ever I could predict chop, it's chopping. It's chopping hard. All right, so make sure I close out my private information. Should have did that while it was blanked. And we are going to long. We are going to take the stops above the market. What stops, you say? I don't see any stops. Where are the stops? And how do you take them? I guess this isn't a double bottom. And I'm being silly to call it. Well, maybe I gotta go 1 minute there. Definitely could possibly. Nope, not a double bottom. All right. We're hitting targets. I guess you just click buy here and then watch it soar. Be a retail Rick here and just say, oh, I'm gonna buy. Let's get on the board here. Retail Rick says buy. Give me 40 ticks. 5 contracts, please. Retail Rick. Retail Rick wants to buy now. I'll laugh so hard. No, it can't be. All right. We got 40 ticks the wrong way. All right. We're coming down. One minute. Yeah, we're coming down. It says not yet. Where's the 5 minute? We need the 5 minute, please. And the 5-minute closes. This is going to be quick. Okay, so we're going to get the push. To probably this double top, but not yet. All right, we're deep in this. All right, let's give myself a target here. Reasonable target. 5. Take 5 off right there. I know. Bitcoin is not moving. Wow. Look at that. It's just like floating. It's like, whatever. I do whatever I want to do. NQ is going to chop about and do what it does best, which is ruin lives here with the chop. My instincts say it's going to my target. Kind of want to see this push a lot. This is really bad. This is watching paint dry here. I would not be trading this. I would totally be out and about, like, whatever. This is why the fundeds have been sitting pretty today. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Welcome to the chop. I kind of feel it. I kind of feel it too. I kind of feel like she's gonna ruin lives here. All right. Stream Kitty wants her belly rubbed. Stream Kitty wants her belly rubbed. No. I ruined it. I ruined it. Did I get stopped out yet? No. Nothing, BC. This is boring. How are you? Thanks for stopping by. I'm sitting in the Trump. Yes, exactly. Full port, baby. This is an eval. We are dancing with the devil with an eval. to Valhalla, honestly. I'm getting definite flashes that we are not going to go to Valhalla. These are my first funded trades today. I mean, these are my first prop account trades today. So I do not have good feelings about this. Long here. I think we take this. I think we take this as a implied fair value gap. We dip into that before we continue on our journey up. So you have to, what you have to do is you have to trick the computer. You have to put your like this, and you have to put your stop up there, and you have to be like, okay, NQ, come down here, and then like, no computer, don't take my stop. No computer, my take profit is down here, and then it goes right to your target. It's a trick. You have to try that. And now it knows the truth. Now it knows I tricked it. So now it's got a full stop. See? Computer knows I tricked it now. Oh. It took the high. This is good. I kind of like it. I'm not going to pass this thing as quickly as I wanted, though. This pass was supposed to be stream 20 minutes, full porting, and pass. It's like, oh, that's not happening. Almost happened. I was just greedy. I was like, all right, let's stretch this out a little bit longer and then kind of like double back. Don't fret, BC. This is a low stress situation. I'm trading a promotion with free resets, so we can be reckless. Come on. Stop it already. Oh, no, don't take my stop. No. I actually stole that line from a TikToker or an Instagrammer. I thought it was hilarious. No computer. I do not have any of those. I actually got... I may have been snubbed by them so hard because I won an account from them ages ago. But I don't think it's the same account because the account I won was a crypto account, and I think it was Blue something. Actually, I'm confused. That was Blue Guardian that stubbed me. I won an account. They never gave it to me. So no, I have zero experience with Blue Sky. Like absolute zero. I'll be doing Blue Sky. No intraday drawdown and daily payouts. That's ridiculous. I mean, that hits all the marks you want, right? Poof. Oh, oh, oh. Bam. Okay. Now we're moving. Wow. 3 o'clock, the buyers came in and said, what a deal. What a deal. All the buyers came in at 3 o'clock and they realized NQ was on sale and they clicked buy all at the exact same time. It's absolutely beautiful. All right. I always trade with a stop, so we're going to have a stop. 377 ticks stop. I recommend trading with a stop. Definitely. Now that might be it. I mean, what is this? Is this open? High, low, close. No wick on that candle. The buyers stepped in, but they left. Huh. Yeah, that might be it. The party's over. You would think that was mock or something. That was wicked. Right, put my 5 back on. Put my 5 back on that I just took off. Up here. Put them right back on here. I mean, we took the high. Come on, run it out. I'm pretty happy. This volume imbalance, I hate to think it's a vacuum block, but there's no reason to be bearish. There's absolutely no reason to be bearish here. Right? $15-minute, half the candle is right there. I want to see order flowing. Do not go below that. Okay, we touched it. All right. Now, structure-wise, I think we take this low. Which ain't great. I think the algorithm is going to come down here before it goes up here. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did fill that fair value gap. Although we didn't take this high yet. I want to see it take this. Maybe it did take it. Hold on, let's be a dork here. Yeah, we kind of did take it. We kind of did take it enough. I don't know. Kind of want to see it come up here. Take this fair value gap. That's what I'm aiming for. I'd rather see it come up here. But time is a problem. $9.36. Definitely didn't disappoint me yet. Didn't disappoint me yet. Open, low, high, close, 15-minute candle. Open, low, high, close. Come on, pushy, pushy. It's like watching paint dry. It really is terrible. Yeah, 2.5 deviations is the high. Watch 2.25 be a beautiful target of equal highs. 2.25 is exactly equal highs. Algorithm. Yeah. This should do it. Like, no joke, this should do it. All right. Chat, it's been fun. I already consider this evaluation passed. I've done my job. It's time for the candles to do the heavy lifting. And push. Come on. I got shit to do. All right. All right. All right. I would like to see a nice strong push at the end of this 15-minute candle. Accelerating through this breaker. Absolutely beautiful breaker here. Please do not extend right. What's half the breaker? Right there? Is that of any importance here? Nah. Push into the breaker, reject. Push into the breaker again, hang around. And now the final push. Accelerate through. Close above. It's legit. Close below. Blast off. Come on. Woof. Yeah, Bitcoin is frozen in time right now. Bitcoin is absolutely frozen in time right now. It's like that's hilarious. Bitcoin's like, I ain't leaving. I'm here and I'm not leaving. That's hilarious. That's funny. All right, that should do it. This is 100 ticks at 10 contracts. I don't think I need that many ticks. Come on. Pushy, pushy. Come on, put your stops up here. Right there. Put your stops up here. They're safe. I don't want them. They're safe here. You can keep shorting. You just put your stop right there at the double top. It's absolutely perfect spot to put your stop. It's never going there. It's never going there. Error, YouTube is not. Reconnect your YouTube. Why? Oh, looks fine to me. Looks fine to me. Come on. You're perfectly safe. There are no buy stops up here. None. No buy stops. Double tops? No buy stops. Alrighty. No. GMF. Oh. AI bubble stocks. That's cool. No, my stop. Stop running towards my stop. I am coming for your stops. $157,000 and counting. Push, push, push. Consequent encroachment of the breaker. Little hang up. Let's try and look bearish. Let's try and look bearish for a second so the shorts are like, we can double down. This is still a good short. I will just double down on my short and I'll put my stop right there. It's never going there. Uh-oh. Well, maybe triple down. Uh-oh. What's going on? This is terrible. This is terrible. This can't possibly be happening. Is that good? No, no way. That's not there. It's like up here. It's rejection block, bearish order block, thin ice. It's more like here. And we close below. We close below with a fair value gap, but we've already run it out a little bit. Come on, NQ. Murder the shorts, please. What's the holdup? Nobody wants to watch a 2-hour stream. Come on. I lost my camera. My beautiful face. Bummer. Oh well. Even my camera said, I'm out. Peace out, buddy. My camera said, no, thank you. My camera said, nope, I'm out. Is that right? Why isn't that showing up now? Double click, cast. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Peace out, BC. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, I hear you guys. This is boring. I'm out too. Probably should just leave myself. All right. I already said goodbye. It just slowed down too much. Come on. Now I'm stuck. I'm stuck watching it. I do my Care Bear stare. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The final push. Push. And that's the game show. Peace out. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Get yourself